Ruchi get your coochie.
Ruchi get you. The Ruchi get you.
Ruchi get your coochie.
Oh yeah. What's up, YouTube, man? I'm back with another video. It's been a while. I've been having some other issues going on. Not we're not really. Yeah, you go ahead and put them in. Not issues, but other jobs, man. Yeah. I got trying to rent out my property and all that stuff. So I had to take a break from the car and advertise that, put that on get that rented out. And looking for a part-time job, man. Let's go in here to the garage. I got my father-in-law's here, so y'all gonna see him a lot of him on my YouTube channel. There you go. We gonna get him on the channel and see what he think about this LS swap. Yeah, come on. I want to ask you what you think about it. Yeah, he be all right. I showed him once, but I'm gonna show him again. Yeah. I don't think he quite understand like what this LS swap thing is all about. Oh, well, that's long. Well, that's good then. But yeah, he's straight from Mississippi, man. Oh yeah, Marine man, straight from Mississippi, man. It's going down. Yeah, man. So, Pop, what you think about this this car, man?
Man, I think it look nice to me. It's road ready.
Road ready?
You got the garage.
Yeah, it do, man. But like I said,
you got some more things you want to do to it, but I think pretty slick. A guy asked me about that thing the other day, and I was telling him that I wasn't the owner of it. It was you. Yeah. And he remember the color. He said it's purple car. The body. No, get him.
All right, y'all. All right, the main reason why I ain't really been driving it, man, y'all know I took it to Red's Transmission. When I got it from Red's Transmission, it didn't have no brakes, so they couldn't really test drive it. So when I decided to test drive it, trans wasn't even working right, man. So I had to go up to the trans shop, man, and give him a piece of my mind. Come on. And he, you know, we were arguing back and forth, and then, you know, he decided, okay, he gave me a date to take it back. Let me show y'all. He gave me a date to bring it back up there. This thing is zoom in. There you go, the 26th, man. I gotta take it back up there on the 26th. Yeah. Pop, yeah.
I just like looking at this engine, man. Man, it looks real good up on there. You like to know what you're doing.
Yeah, I mean, pretty much.
Yeah, I'm saying. He gone back out.
Oh, yeah.
Keep out on him. I know where he gone. He gone to that woman car.
Where?
To that pool.
The pool? Yeah. Yeah, that's my father-in-law, man. Cool cat.
Come on, man.
Straight out of Mississippi.
Come on now.
But
Man, you gotta come on.
yeah, man, that's the thing with the transmission, man. I don't know. I think I tried everything, man, with the HP tuners and all that. But I don't know. So I'm gonna just take it to the trans shop and let them handle that. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even finna keep wrecking my brain about it. I paid them to do it, so they gonna have to fix this motherfucker. Yeah, I'm dropping it off next Monday.
Stop being baby.
But yeah, I even studied up and got me a tune with HP tuners for this transmission. So yeah, I did all of that. It's my son right here, man. He just climbing all over me.
He trying to get in there.
Yeah.
I like that storm wheel there too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did as much as I could.
What is that, Gucci?
Ruchi.
Ruchi.
Say it again.
Ruchi.
Ruchi get you.
Ruchi get you.
Coochie.
Ruchi get you coochie.
Ruchi get you. The Ruchi get you.
Ruchi get you coochie.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Ruchi.
But yeah, man. Once I take this to the trans shop, man, I think we'll be fine after that. I got a decent.
your upholstery stuff for sure?
No, I had this lady do it. This lady,
You know, I used to do that stuff, that type of stuff.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, put carpet in the floor.
You still can do it.
Yeah, I used to do that stuff.
You just ain't did it in a while.
That's right. I know. You ain't do no, you ain't gonna worry about no more. When you get all your paneling and stuff,
Yeah.
and cut it out and lay it out, and put it back together.
Uh-huh.
I used to do that. I have done it. I just put it like that.
Yeah.
But you got looking nice though. I like them roots and rim.
Yeah, they spin too. Well, check it out.
Hang on.
We gonna be riding, man. Soon as we get this all the way put together, man.
Right.
Then we gonna go for a ride, man. Y'all gonna see me and Pop Soul.
Yeah.
It's Soul right here, y'all.
That's right. That's soul.
Yeah. Yeah. Y'all gonna see me and Soul riding in the Nova with the Roochies. With the Roochies. Yeah. So I'm just, you know what I'm saying, showing them my toy and all that. You know.
You got something to play with.
And now I got some extra help. So whenever I need something done, Soul gonna help me. Y'all gonna see Soul on the channel. So I'm gonna welcome in Soul to YouTube. And
you're gonna be in there, homie.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you got some features. See, I ain't see it. I was looking at your mirror there.
Yeah, that's the Chevy symbol.
I hadn't paid no attention to it.
That's what he's seeing right here. I don't think y'all really noticed that there. That's the Chevy sign right there.
Yeah, that's a Chevy.
Yeah.
Right. That's the first one I ever saw like that.
Yeah. Man, I can't wait to get this, man. See, I still got a lot of work to do, like hide them wires and stuff.
Yeah.
But we gonna get it together, man.
Yeah, we're gonna get it.
We gonna get it, man.
That's the first time I ever see it. That was a coat. Just get you another coat. I don't see it. Yeah,
I mean, this ain't the best paint job. Shit, I had to take it from dude now. Cause they took too long.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying, doing what they supposed to do. But I'm gonna get it repainted over the winter.
Well, just get you a little flake.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it repainted over the winter cause this ain't no good paint job. But
you don't know what another coat, maybe.
Yeah.
For the same paint.
I'm gonna get it painted another color. It ain't gonna be yeah. It's gonna be blue, but it ain't gonna be no candy paint, none of that.
You don't like that one?
Nah, I don't like the way he did it. You know what I'm saying? It's you know what I'm saying? It's
out from the rest now once
it look good far away, but when you come up close, you see little flaws like this right here.
Yeah.
That's why I say, man, I ain't taking my car back up there. The way he painted it, it didn't even last.
Right, honestly.
But I ain't worried about the paint, man. I'm worried about the engine and the trans.
Right.
The engine fine. Once we get this trans situation done, I'm on y'all ass.
Always.
Yeah.
You coming out there looking.
Yeah.
All
right, man. Peace.